In this video, we are going to learn about how to move Word document to Google Docs. So let's get started. First of all, here you can say I have a Word document. Now I want to move this document into a Google Docs. First of all, open a Google Chrome browser, then click to Google Apps. From here you can see Google Drive. Click into this option and from here click to New, then click to File Upload. And now find out the specific file that you want to convert. Select this file and then click to open. Now click to resend. You can see it's our file. Now click to three dot menu and then click to open with. After that click to Google Docs. So this is the method how to move Word document to Google Docs. We want to see another things. Where is the file? Go to Docs again and then here you can see the file is available. So that's it. I think this video will help you to understand how to do that. If you think this video helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.